In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find your Wi-Fi password in Windows 10, so it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up the Start menu, just off pulling the Start button one time, and you are typing Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel, left click on that. Now you want to make sure your View Bio appears at the category, and then left click on Networking Internet. Now you want to left call a Networking Sharing Center. Now whatever your connection type is over here on the right should be clickable. In my case, it says Ethernet. Might say Wi-Fi in your case, just want to left on that one time. Again, it should be underneath whatever your internet is, right where I'm generally circling once you saw it today. You want to go ahead and left click on the option that says Properties. So it might be a Wireless Properties button as well, but I'm just going to call Properties since it's down here. And then you will left call Configure. So since I'm on Ethernet, I don't actually have a Wireless Properties button, but you just left one. Wireless Properties should be right next to Details. And then a new window would open up. Should say Connection and Security on the top. There should be two different times for that. You left on the Security tab, and then there should be a chat box that says Show Characters. You would check mark inside of that box. And then it would show whatever the narrow security key is right above it. So pretty sure you forward tutorial guys do both of the help you out.